These 5 AI tools will transform your student life. From writing essays to acing exams, your grades are about to change forever. ChatGPT isn't just for essays. Use it to explain complex concepts, break down math problems, and quiz yourself. Ask follow-up questions until you truly understand. It's like having a tutor available 24/7 for free. Perfect for homework help and concept clarification. Forget Google. Perplexity gives you cited sources instantly. Ask research questions and get comprehensive answers with direct links. It's perfect for essays and projects where you need credible sources fast. Save hours on research time and focus on writing. Create study guides, project timelines, and note organization with AI assistance. Notion AI helps you summarize notes, generate study questions, and build databases instantly. Keep your entire academic life organized in one beautiful workspace. Transform boring presentations into stunning visuals in minutes. Input your topic or paste content, and Gamma generates professional slides automatically. No more PowerPoint struggles. Your presentations will impress professors and look designer-made instantly. Subscribe for more AI tools that actually work. Drop a comment telling us which tool you're trying first.